Welcome to the part 6 of Assistant Director in Ministry of Defence paper of the year 2022. Who is the chairman of NAB Pakistan? Back in 2022 it was Javed Iqbal, but the current NAB chairman is Lieutenant General retired Nazir Ahmad Butt. Current governor of Punjab is. Back at that time it was Umar Sarfaraz Chima, but currently as we are talking in 2026 it is Sardar Salim Haider Khan, who assumed charge as the governor of Punjab on 10 May 2024. IMF revived the stall financing package for Pakistan on 29 August 2022. In September 2022, the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs of Pakistan was Hina Rabbani Kar. In 2022, Pakistan's estimated population was about 224 million, but as we are talking in 2026, the approximate population is 259.3 million. Pakistan's annual GDP in 2022 was approximately $377 billion. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan? Sikandar Sultan Raja, and he has been the Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan since 27 January 2020. Which river does not flow from Jammu and Kashmir? Ravi. On February 15, 2022, SBP launched Rast Dash Instant Payment System, person to person. Communication satellites are usually placed in geostationary orbit. If it is true that the streets and the sidewalks are wet whenever it is raining, which of the following must also be true? If the streets and sidewalks are wet, it is raining. If the streets are wet but the sidewalks are not wet, it is not raining. If it is not raining, the streets and sidewalks are not wet. Option 2 only. Adil, all engineers are intelligent. Bashir, that is not true. I know some bankers who are intelligent too. Bashir's answer demonstrates that he thought Adil to mean that only engineers are intelligent. Question 138 to 141 are asked from the following. A farmer is preparing fruit boxes. Each box will contain exactly 2 kinds of dry fruits to be selected from F, G and H, and exactly 3 kinds of fresh fruits to be selected from P, Q, R, S and T with the following restrictions. G cannot be in the same fruit box as T. P cannot be in the same fruit box as S. Q cannot be in the same fruit box as T. If G is included in the fruit box, which fruit must also be included? Q. If H is not included, which fruit cannot be included except T? Which fruit must be included in each fruit box? R. If T is included in a fruit box, the box must also include F and H. From question 142 till question 145 are asked from the following. In a Montessori classroom, there are 8 chairs in 3 rows, A, B and C, 6 chairs in a row. The chairs are red, yellow and blue in color. The number of red chairs in the classroom is exactly twice the number of yellow chairs. Each row contains at least 1 blue chair. Which could not be the number of red chairs in the classroom? 5. If row A has exactly 1 blue chair and no red chair, red chairs in row C must be 5. Under the given red chairs constraint, the number of blue chairs may be 9. Given the yellow chair ratio condition, red chairs in row B must be 4. Question 146 is asked from the following. In winning its bitter protracted battle to acquire Blue Industries Inc., Billy Industries has fulfilled its goal to lessen its reliance on tobacco holdings. While the $5.2 billion deal may spur more takeover activity in the insurance industry, analysts said. Which of the following can be inferred from the passage? From the passage about Billy Industries and Blue Industries, what can be inferred? Billy Industries has acquired Blue Industries. Questions 147 till 149 are asked from the following. Five friends, Anila, Banu, Fozia, Hadia and Mona were selecting different dress colors such that Anila and Banu were selecting blue and purple colors. Fozia and Banu were selecting purple and pink colors. Hadia and Anila were selecting red and blue colors. Mona and Banu were selecting white and yellow colors. Which friend was selecting the maximum number of colors? Banu. Which pair was selecting both pink and blue? None of these. More than two friends were selecting which color? Blue. The president lobbied for passage of his new trade bill, which would liberalize trade with industrialized countries such as Japan, members of European Community and Canada. Each of the following, if true, could account for the above except. Economists said it would increase the trade deficit. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.